Padilla. It feels like a fairy tale for Catherine Bernardo, as her primetime soap Princess and I soars high in ratings. For the young actress, the show is a product of hard work and love for her craft.
Kahit na kaming lahat, nilalaman namin na pataas yung rating ng Princess and I every night, tapos nasusustain namin sa primetime.
Princess and I is Catherine's first lead role after Mara Clara. Their tandem in the set show has sparked rivalry between her and Julia Montez. But now, both Catherine and Julia have proved that they can separately lead their own shows.
Actually, sinasabi nila before na napag-iwanan, I think hindi po yun yung right word kasi parang nauna lang siya i-launch na mag-isa. So para sa akin, okay lang kasi waiting. Alam ko naman na may plan din po yung management. So ngayon, thankful na lang kami kasi magkasunod pa yung shows namin sa prime.
From rivalry to romance, the Catherine love team is continuously building a huge fan base, which also raises speculations that Daniel Padilla is courting her in real life.
Hindi ko masasabi na naliligaw. Siguro lang kinoconsider niya ako as very special friend na feel ko naman na very caring siya, gentleman. And syempre pag babae, ganun na-flatter ako kasi may mga ibang nag-care sa akin na tao besides sa family and friends ko.
But Catherine maintains that no matter how much fans would like them to be together, she prefers to enjoy the friendship, especially at their young age.
Hindi naman nagpe-pressure kasi kilala ko naman siguro kasi si DJ na kinoconsider ko na siya as best friend ko na lalaki na hindi ako nape-pressure na kailangan kami magkatuluyan, ganyan. Basta yung importante yung ngayon, yung present, hindi pa yun sa future.
Despite Daniel's young age, he is somewhat being tagged as a ladies' man, also brought about by the reputation of his showbiz clan, the Padillas. But Catherine does not believe so.
Siguro yung ano lang niya, yung Padilla, yung character niya. Pero pag nakilala niya po siya in person, kung ano talaga yung character niya, ibang-iba sa akala niyong mayabang na maangas na playboy.
But last Saturday, May 19, Daniel made a revelation about his feelings for Catherine during his interview in Showbiz Inside Report.
Nagsiselos ka kay Catherine? I mean, pag may...
Pinipilit ko po huwag magselos kasi wala naman po akong karapatan.
So, pag nagsiselos ka, anong nararamdaman mo?
Nalulungkot po.
Alam mo, kaya ka type ng mami niya eh.
Hindi ko po alam kung type pa ang tita Min eh. Mukha daw po kasi talaga akong bad boy.
Ano naman nasagot mo?
Hindi po ako mabait.
So, hindi mo lulukoyin yung anak niya?
Hindi po, papakasalan ko po anak.
Well, okay naman to. Diyos ko pa naman sila. Napunta na tayo sa kasalan, Mario Joseph Lord.
Sabi niya, talaga, let's see after 20 years, interview tayo. 15, wala, tagal pa yun. Ay, 16 na pala kayo. Hindi, joke lang. Basta matagal pa. Pagpapasa, siguro joke lang ni DJ yun kasi asa ano na yung pa-joke. Pero, hindi yan totoo.
From the stars of Princess and I, we move on.